Okay, so going to attempt to help you guys download a extension for your internet browser that I've just heard of today. It's called Language Learning with Netflix, and it's kind of an extension or a program that you add on to your Netflix account that helps you learn a different language. Not too sure how it all works and stuff, but all I know is that you can get one for YouTube, and it basically works the same. So sadly I don't have one Netflix on the computer. I do have YouTube, and I am interested definitely in downloading it, so I will check both ways, see if it works the same. I'll see if I can get it for my phone as well. Cool. Here we go. So, first of all, open your internet browser. So what I found that these, I was going to say files, but these add-ons are extensions. So we need to download extensions to add to our internet browser, and then it kind of just automatically sorts itself out in Netflix. So we're going to go for a basic how-to guide if you haven't kind of sussed that out already. So first of all, what you want to do is type in language learner Netflix. We go with Netflix first. So that's the one at the top there. Or actually we go for, because I mean with a secure Google website you should be good. Don't hold me to that. Sorry, okay. So language learning with Netflix, and it is on the Chrome web store. But as you can see, I do not use Chrome, but it is all good. So I've just got a notification there. You can now add extensions from the Chrome web store to Microsoft Edge. Oh, well, there we go. Add to Chrome. Add extension, that's the one. And what we want to do. Oh, okay, so it actually gives you how to use it here, but you know me guys, I love to make my life hard, so we are going to do it the old-fashioned way, just do it blind. So what I found, to see if the extension is working, we will go on YouTube, and at the top bar you'd always have like settings and more, or maybe more. It will be the three dots that you'd click. And then for extensions, I've always found the icon to be a little jigsaw puzzle. Click on that. As you can see, here we are down there, language learning with Netflix. Language learning with Netflix. We are all on and good to go. So for that, I'm going to go back, or we jump back to this one. Oh, I don't need that. I just want my home page. Oh, let's just click it there. Oh my god, this is my home page. How dare I? Cool. Sorry guys. Oh, I'm getting distracted. So, we are going for language learning YouTube. So we want to find the Chrome Web Store. Oh, here it is. Language learning with YouTube better. So as you can see, it's the same symbol but with YouTube. Add extension. Extension added. Whoa, 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 whoa. Right, cool. That's scanning. It's taking a while for some reason. Get rid of that. And that. That's on here. See if the extension is on. There we are. Language learning with YouTube, and it is on and ready to go. So let's have a play with this, people. Type in anything. Oh, here we go. Language learning from YouTube. Hello. Please select your native language. English. Auto hide YouTube playback bar recommended. Okay then. Awesome. Oh, okay. You can see that we have new stuff here. Translate, select language, oh god, and then search for videos with subtitles. Ooh, okay, we'll go with this.
A glowing blue-purple light, which can be seen with the unaided eye.
Okay, so obviously I've got the captions up or the subtitles, which is normally the one here. So this
a glowing blue-purple light, which can be seen with the unaided eye.
But what we do want to know is,
like a star in the heavens.
So what is this? Okay, we'll pause this. Ah, okay, so this is the settings for it. I'm not going to sign in now, it's just a basic quick go round. YouTube subtitle language.
It looked like a star in the heavens.
Purple colour. I'm not too sure what that means, guys. If enabled, this option will switch the video to original language audio. Oh, okay. For some original tracks. Translation language, English. We want to turn that. Japanese. Show machine translation. Show me that machine translation. Your machine translate. Show machine translation. Okay. Hide subtitles. To be honest, I wouldn't think that would be an option, but hey. Highlight saved words. Shows subtitle control. There's quite a lot of options, which is good. On mouse hover. Do nothing. On left click. Oh, okay, that's the mouse. What you want the mouse to do. Commands to the mouse. Font default recommended. Font size the normal. And to the left here we have keyboard shortcuts. So we have A or back. What's that mean? Oh, okay. Oh my god, Nick, come on, just use your brain and read the word that's before. Oh god, is so previous, I guess, video is A or back, and so on, so on, so on. So we're gonna close that up. Oh look, yay! Yay! So we've got the Japanese now.
Seth Putterman called it the star.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh, that's brilliant. It's kind of perfect. Perfect. Yeah, so it can help you pronounce a specific word.
Seth Butterman called it the
Call.
star.
Pro feature, so you have to spend money on that. This looks like it puts it in different softwares, like, what was that? Word reference. Close me. Wiktionary. What the hell is a dictionary? I've never heard of this. Oh, I'm feeling old. Okay. Gives you examples. That's brilliant. Other possible translations that are... Oh, that's really, really cool. Well, hopefully... Okay, what I'm going to do, we'll see if we can get it working on our phone. Hey. Oh, wrong one. Hello. Okay. Anything. I don't mind. No, it doesn't look like it's on here, so... Okay, maybe it is somewhere else. No. Trick yourself! No. Okay. I wonder what that is. No, I can't find it. Okay guys, give me a minute. And I'll get back into it. I'll find it somehow.
Glad you can make it. And welcome to the Toothpick Nick channel.